Now let's take a look at this figure 14-9, and it deals with operating voltage and current, and it shows the three-phase current instead of the three girls on the bicycle in the figure 14-9 that we reviewed. Three phases of voltage and current. And notice we peak here is this current, and it's at zero here. So in other words, we're not cutting any flux in 60 degrees, but we are up here. And then as this current comes down and we're not cutting any, B is in the peak, see? And the same thing happens with C. So we do not have a zero where no flux is being cut at all, like we did on that 120 volt motor that we looked at, and the 120 volt person on the bicycle in figure 14-8. So what this is one cycle now, and you can see the power of that three phase on that one cycle. If you only had one current there, then you see we would have a zero axis where we wouldn't be picking up any current, and so therefore you have a little bit of a lag there where you wouldn't be picking up any flux there to give the more power to drive your load. And that's what this figure 14-9 is illustrating: operating voltage and current when you have a three-phase voltage and current value, phases A, B, and C.